Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thank you.
How to share your Wi-Fi without revealing password. Internet is everywhere, something we just can't ignore. Most of us need to stay connected almost all the time, whether traveling or while working. And while mobile data is what most of use, many a times we also need Wi-Fi access. So often, we need to share our home broadband access with friends or family members visiting. Same happens in your case when you go to a public place or at someone else's house. This may mean sharing or asking for Wi-Fi password, which may not always be a great idea. As a solution, we can now share the password as a QR code, something that not only makes the entire process quick and easy but also prevents revealing the exact password. All users need to do is to scan the QR code to directly get connected to the Wi-Fi. So how can you share your Wi-Fi password using QR codes?
It's simple for both Android and iOS users. Just follow these steps. Before we start, it is worth noting that there are various sites that can convert your Wi-Fi name and password into QR codes. A couple of popular ones are Stuff. Xingapps.com. Step 1. Visit any of the two websites and choose the option Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi login. Step 2. In the SSID section, type the name of the Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Type the password in the dedicated section. Step 4. Choose the network type. Usually, Wi-Fi here is WPA. Step 5. Click on Generate and download the QR code. Once downloaded, you can keep the soft copy or take out a print of the QR code for everyone to simply scan it and connect. Apple iPhone users can simply open the camera app and point it to the QR code. This will show a prompt to join the network. Most Android smartphone users too can automatically detect a QR code from their phone's camera. Some Android phones, however, may lack this feature. These users can download the QR code scanning app from Google Play Store.